Ever wondered why a tiny spice like cloves has been so treasured throughout history? Picture this: in ancient times, a single clove was enough to barter for a night's lodging or even more. Kings and physicians believed in its mystical powers, often using it as a cure-all remedy. But what makes cloves so invaluable? Let's embark on a spicy journey to discover the truth. Native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia, cloves are the dried flower buds of the clove tree. These aromatic spice buds have been traded and cherished for over 2,000 years. From the pharaohs of Egypt to Chinese dynasties and medieval European monarchs, cloves have been more than just a kitchen staple. Their deep, warm, and sweet aroma made them a luxury, often burned as incense, used in perfumes, or even as currency. Botanically known as Syzygium aromaticum, the clove tree thrives in warm and humid climates. But it's not just its aromatic appeal that's been celebrated. The potency of cloves in traditional medicine is a testament to its myriad health benefits. And today, we'll unravel the top 10 health wonders of this age-old spice. Now let's start our countdown with 10 respiratory benefits. Starting off our countdown at number 10, we venture into the world of respiratory health. Ever wondered why cloves are a common ingredient in traditional cough syrups and cold remedies? It's no ancient secret. Cloves have been used for centuries to treat a myriad of respiratory ailments. According to a study published in the Journal of Natural Medicines in 2017, eugenol, a predominant compound in cloves, exhibits potent anti-inflammatory properties, providing relief from respiratory issues such as asthma, bronchitis, and sinusitis. When inhaled, the aromatic compounds help in clearing nasal passage and have expectorant properties, aiding in loosening mucus and phlegm. Furthermore, its antimicrobial properties can fight respiratory infections, making cloves a natural ally for your lungs. So, the next time you're feeling congested or under the weather, remember the respiratory benefits of cloves. A warm cup of clove tea might just be the comforting remedy you need. But as we shift focus from our lungs, have you pondered on the shield our body wields against illnesses? Let's uncover more. Next, number 9, immune system boost. Navigating to number 9, we focus on the body's very own defense system, the immune system. In our quest for fortified health, particularly in trying times, we often turn to supplements and external aids. Yet, a natural booster might be sitting right in your kitchen cabinet. A study published in the Journal of Immunotoxicology in 2012 spotlighted cloves' remarkable ability to bolster the immune system. Rich in phenolic compounds, cloves exhibit antioxidant prowess, countering harmful free radicals and protecting our cells. These antioxidants not only maintain cellular health but also assist in the production of white blood cells, our body's primary defense against infections. In traditional practices, cloves have been revered as potent immune-enhancing agents, consumed to shield against various ailments. With the backing of contemporary research, it's evident why. So, the next time you think about immunity, consider adding cloves to your diet. They might just be the fortification your immune system needs. And while we're unraveling the wonders of cloves, did you know there's a spicy myth surrounding them? Stay tuned to find out. Next, number 8, diabetes control. Shifting gears to our 8th revelation, we tackle a global concern, diabetes. As the world grapples with rising diabetes rates, the search for natural remedies and preventive measures is ever persistent. Enter cloves, the unassuming spice with potent properties. Research published in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism in 2013 unveiled the impressive potential of cloves in regulating blood sugar levels. The compounds in cloves, particularly nigericin, have been found to improve insulin function and increase the uptake of glucose by cells. This essentially means that cloves can play a pivotal role in stabilizing blood sugar fluctuations. In some traditional medicinal systems, cloves have long been recommended for diabetes patients to manage their condition more effectively. It's not just about sweetening your dishes, but possibly regulating that sugar in your bloodstream. Isn't it fascinating how such a tiny spice can make a monumental difference in our health? And speaking of monumental impacts, our next benefit is one that many of us often overlook. Intrigued? Stick around to find out. Next, number 7, bone health. Stepping into our 7th spot, we dive deep into the foundation of our body, our bones. While we often associate calcium and milk with bone health, there's a spice that's making waves in the realm of osteology. Yes, you guessed it, cloves. Delving into the scientific literature, a groundbreaking study from the Journal of Osteoporosis and Physical Activity in 2015 showcased how cloves are enriched with compounds that promote bone density and strength. These compounds, notably eugenol and flavonoids, aid in mineralization and reduce bone resorption, the process where bones break down and release minerals into the bloodstream. It's intriguing to think that while cloves have been spicing up our dishes, they've also held the potential to reinforce our skeletal framework. Historically, some communities incorporated cloves in their diet, especially for the elderly, to combat age-related bone weakening. So, the next time you ponder about bone health, let cloves be a part of that equation. But as we uncover the potency of cloves, our next fact delves into a domain we all desire to preserve. Eager to learn more? Keep watching. Next, number 6, liver and heart health. Marching forth to our 6th spot, we address two of the most vital organs that keep us ticking, the liver and the heart. When we think of maintaining their health, the usual suspects are diets and exercise regimes. But there's a spice that holds significance here too, the versatile clove. In a revealing study from the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology in 2016, it was highlighted that the antioxidants in cloves, particularly eugenol, have a protective effect on the heart. They aid in reducing oxidative stress, and in turn, can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, vital markers for cardiovascular health. Switching gears to the liver, another study in the World Journal of Hepatology in 2014 emphasized cloves' hepatoprotective properties. These potent compounds in cloves not only protect the liver from toxic substances but also play a role in its detoxification process. It's truly fascinating that a spice, often limited to our kitchen shelves, can be a silent guardian for both our liver and heart. As we've always said, it's the small things that often make the most significant impact. And as we're about to unveil, our next clove fact deals with a common ailment many face. Can you guess what it is? Stay with us to find out. Next, number 5, anti-carcinogenic properties. Delving into the halfway mark of our countdown, at number 5, we touch upon a topic that has affected countless lives worldwide, cancer. In the fight against this formidable ailment, every little ally counts. Among these allies, standing with quiet strength, is our familiar spice, clove. Research from the Journal of Oncology Research and Treatment in 2018 brought to light the incredible anti-carcinogenic properties of cloves. The bioactive compounds, especially eugenol, have been found to induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancerous cells, inhibiting their growth and proliferation. Furthermore, cloves contain high amounts of antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress, a significant contributor to cancer development. Traditional medicine systems, from Ayurveda to traditional Chinese medicine, have incorporated cloves as a preventive measure against certain types of cancers. As we continue to search for remedies and preventive methods in our battle against cancer, the humble clove emerges as a beacon of hope. Its properties remind us that nature often holds the keys to some of our most pressing challenges. Moving from this profound realization, our next revelation is something that concerns our everyday well-being. Curious to know? The countdown continues. And before we dive into the next fascinating point, hey, if this video has been helpful to you so far, a subscribe would mean a lot to us. What that does for us is it gives us an indicator that we are building an audience and that we are creating helpful content for people. Now, let's get back to our list with point number 4, digestive health. Navigating further down our list to number 4, we focus on a system that's the cornerstone of our overall health, the digestive system. From enjoying our favorite meals to drawing energy for our daily tasks, a healthy digestive system plays a pivotal role. And in this intricate system, cloves have a unique part to play. A study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology in 2019 highlighted that cloves can significantly aid in soothing digestive disturbances. The compounds in cloves, like eugenol and flavonoids, actively combat gastrointestinal irritations, reducing gas, bloating, and stomach aches. Moreover, cloves have been recognized for their antimicrobial properties, which can help ward off harmful bacteria that can upset our digestive balance. Historically, clove-infused teas and concoctions were popular remedies for upset stomachs and indigestion in various cultures. It's no surprise that even today, natural remedy enthusiasts often turn to cloves to soothe their tummy troubles. From enhancing our meals with their rich flavor to ensuring they're digested smoothly, cloves truly have our back, or should we say, our gut. And as we're about to discover, our next fact is intimately linked to one of our primary senses. Ready to delve deeper? Let's proceed. Next, number 3, skin and hair benefits. And as we're about to discover, our next fact is intimately linked to one of our primary senses, the sense of touch. Our skin, the largest organ of our body, and our hair, the crown we never take off, are not only vital for our physical appearance but also play crucial roles in protection and sensory perception. Delving into number 3, let's explore how cloves can be our skin and hair's best friend. A notable study from the Journal of Dermatological Science in 2014 emphasized the anti-inflammatory properties of cloves. These properties can be particularly beneficial in addressing skin issues like acne, rashes, and irritation. The eugenol in cloves, apart from being anti-inflammatory, also exhibits antiseptic qualities, making it a trusted remedy for minor cuts, wounds, and fungal infections. But cloves aren't just skin deep. Venturing into the realm of hair health, a 2016 study from the International Journal of Trichology revealed that the antioxidant properties of cloves can help strengthen hair follicles, reduce hair fall, and promote a healthy scalp. From age-old beauty regimes to contemporary skincare routines, cloves have found their rightful place. Whether you're looking to combat pesky pimples or dreaming of lustrous locks, consider integrating cloves or clove oil into your regimen. Now, having unraveled the wonders of cloves for our skin and hair, are you eager to know what lies ahead in our countdown? The next revelation might just influence your daily habits. Stay tuned. Next, number 2, antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Standing tall at the penultimate spot of our countdown, number 2 unravels a dual power of cloves that's essential in a world where health and well-being are paramount: their remarkable antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory capabilities. A groundbreaking study from the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy in 2016 validated cloves' efficacy in combating a multitude of pathogens. Be it bacteria or fungi, the bioactive compounds in cloves, chiefly eugenol, act as nature's sentinel, hindering the growth and proliferation of these harmful microorganisms. But the prowess of cloves doesn't stop there. Diving into the Journal of Inflammation Research in 2018, we discover that cloves also exhibit potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation, often a body's response to injury or infection, can become chronic and lead to numerous health complications. Cloves, with their rich content of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, help in alleviating such concerns, making them a holistic remedy. Tracing back to ancient remedies, cloves have been celebrated not just for their aromatic allure but for their medicinal might against infections and inflammations alike. As we spice up our dishes with cloves, we're also fortifying our body's defenses. Now, as we stand on the brink of our grand reveal, the apex of clove benefits, the anticipation is palpable. Are you ready for the grand finale? Let's dive right in. Next, number 1, improving erectile dysfunction and reproductive system. And now, the grand climax of our journey, our topmost revelation that brings together a synergy of passion and health. Positioned at number 1, we delve into a sensitive yet essential aspect of human health where cloves might just be a game changer: their potential role in improving erectile dysfunction and the overall reproductive system. An study from the Journal of Sexual Medicine in 2015 highlighted not only the aphrodisiac qualities of cloves but also their broader benefits for the reproductive system. The active compounds in cloves, notably eugenol, play a role in enhancing blood circulation, particularly in the genital area, which can be instrumental in addressing ED and overall performance. But the wonders of cloves don't halt at just that. Delving further, historical texts and traditional medicinal practices hint at cloves being used to balance hormonal levels, improve fertility, and even alleviate menstrual pain in some cultures. This amalgamation of modern research with age-old wisdom showcases how cloves, a simple kitchen spice, can potentially be a holistic boon to our reproductive health. From fortifying our internal defenses to igniting sparks of passion and fertility, cloves are truly a testament to nature's abundant gifts. But do you know you can harness the benefits of cloves in several ways? Let's begin with the basics: how to prepare clove tea. Simply bring 1 to 2 cups of water to a boil. Add 2 to 3 whole cloves or a teaspoon of ground cloves. Simmer for about 20 minutes. Strain, and you are good for a warm treat for chilly nights or when you need some comfort. If you care for added flavor, mix in honey or lemon. The second is DIY: how to prepare clove oil, a useful remedy, especially for topical applications. Here's how: mix an ounce of whole cloves with 8 ounces of a carrier oil, like olive or coconut. Warm the blend on low heat for 30 minutes. Strain the oil. And then store in a cool, dark place. Remember, when cooking, you can also sprinkle ground cloves in desserts, stews, and even rice dishes for a burst of flavor. And for skin applications, always mix clove oil with a carrier oil to avoid irritation. While cloves are beneficial, pregnant and nursing mothers should consult healthcare experts before frequent consumption. Also, if you're nearing a surgical procedure, consider reducing intake due to potential clotting effects, and always be cautious with children, especially with potent clove oil. Wrapping up this enlightening exploration, it's astonishing to realize the magnitude of benefits packed in these tiny aromatic buds. Were you aware of these myriad benefits of cloves? What other natural remedies pique your interest? Share with us in the comments below, and if you found this enlightening, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, we release 2 insightful videos every day. Stay curious, and let's keep exploring nature's wonders together.